Hi, Kare here. I want to talk with you today about functional foods. Functional foods are foods directly from Mother Nature that have an effect beyond just nutrition. Functional foods promote optimal health and reduce the risk of disease and illness. Boy, do we need that today. Our foods are in dire need of good nutrition. So much of what we eat is not even food. Our body doesn't even recognize it as food. And we are in such a critical stage right now. I mean, we live in toxic soup. We're getting toxins in our bodies from our air, food, and water. And what we really need is to give ourselves the kind of nutrition that will optimize our health and our immunity so we can function at our highest levels and be able to do something about what's going on today. Well, I have really good news because, it's hard to eat just functional foods. It's hard to eat just things directly from Mother Nature, although that's the way we were intended to eat. But I found something that has 44 of the most powerful functional foods in it, and it's in a spray that you can spray right into your mouth. And it goes right into your bloodstream, taking these absolutely most important molecules from Mother Nature. And I want to show you some of the functional foods that are in this. Let me share this with you. All right, so here's Siberian ginseng, functional food. Look what it does. It enhances performance and cognitive function. It stimulates our immunity and prolongs life. It's used to increase energy. It's an adaptogen. It helps the body adapt to stress. Oh my gosh, do we need that? Yeah. Astragalus. It is an immune booster and for anti-aging and anti-inflammation. Damiana, it's used to promote physical stamina and boost mental health. I'm just going to go through a bunch of these, but there's 44 of them. Alfalfa is a functional food that is good for kidneys and bladder and prostate conditions, and it's good for high cholesterol, asthma, arthritis, diabetes, stomach problems. Wild cherry, look at how beautiful these are. Wild cherry is used to make medicine for lung problems and bronchitis and whooping cough and diarrhea and gout and gastric disorders and pain. I mean, when you look at what these do, I think, what else do you possibly need? Here's lemon balm, who is considered a calming herb, and it's used to reduce stress and anxiety and promote sleep and improve appetite and ease pain and discomfort from indigestion and gas and bloating. And here's basil, that is used for stomach issues and kidney issues and fluid retention and warts and worms. I mean, and it's great for snake bites and insect bites. These are functional foods. This does so much more than anything else you're eating. And I just want to, every one of these are like, oh my gosh, I need that. Oh my gosh, I need that. Burdock, celery. Celery has been used in Chinese medicine as an anti-inflammatory, an antibacterial, an antiviral, and an antioxidant. And here's dill and hyssop and juniper and rockweed. Rockweed is shown to be an anti-tumor, anti-inflammatory, and immune-enhancing food. Fennel seed, hyssop, juniper, rockweed, ginger, kola nut, marjoram, mullein, Abyssinian myrrh, and look at how beautiful they are. And they all are functional foods. But what they do, and I want to share this with you because I really think this is the most important thing that I can possibly share with you. You know, I've been in natural healing and energy medicine for 50 years, and this is the answer to so many of our health issues. This is a spray that goes right into your bloodstream, taking nutrients from these amazing functional foods. Let me show you. This is what I do. I spray that into my mouth and the nutrients from this. But, you know, there's 44 of these plants. Anybody could make an extract from these 44 plants. But this does hundreds of times more than what that does, because the science team that has worked on this product in research and development for more than 50 years, half of the team are quantum physicists, and they figured out how to go into the quantum structure of these plants. Quantum means packets of light. So they went into the light level of these plants and figured out how to locate, isolate, and remove what I call the mother molecules, the most active, the most high frequency, and the most restorative parts of these plants. And when you spray this in your mouth, the entire body responds and goes, oh my God, it's like taking the God particles into your body. You've never had anything this pure, this high frequency, this powerful in your body before. And it goes right into the blood system, and the bloodstream goes, and relaxes. This actually opens up the circulation and the microcirculation in your body. Do you know that you have 66,000 miles of vessels, blood vessels in your body? And 75% of them are micro vessels. Some of them are so tiny, 100 of them could fit in a hair. And those are the ones that go right into the organs and right into the individual cells. And you know, we live in toxic soup, and the chemicals and pesticides and GMOs and heavy metals and all of this stuff blocks up our microcirculation. And you know what? The science team, their whole purpose of this team, called the Institute of Gerontology from Romania, was seeking the cause of aging and then to find the way to reverse it. Well, that's what this is, the way to reverse aging. And they found that the cause of aging is inflammation. Inflammation is a normal part of the healing process, but it gets blocked up. Why? Because our circulation and our microcirculation gets so blocked up because our blood is so dirty from all of these things that were never meant to be in our bloodstream. And they block up the circulation and the microcirculation, so nutrients can't get in and inflammation can't go away. Inflammation is the cause of aging and all of our issues. So when I spray this in my mouth and my bloodstream opens up and takes this in and begins opening the circulation and the microcirculation, inflammation, the cause of aging, begins going away. And these nutrients are so powerful that they begin neutralizing the low frequency negative stuff in our blood. Nothing cleans our blood. You can't get better if you've got dirty blood. This cleans the blood. And it activates our immune system so that our immune system can actually locate and destroy the fastest aging cells. and the damaged cells and the sick cells. And when those are gotten out of the body, and our stem cells, which are in reserve, then come in and make brand new cells. And all of these new cells are coming in to our brain, our heart, our circulatory system, our nervous system, our skin, and they come in with very long telomeres, meaning they have very long lives, where all these old and aging cells have very short telomeres, very short lives. So get rid of them, get new ones. And that, this product has been proven scientifically to reverse biological aging by up to 20 or more years. That's what functional foods can do in your body. This was proven in a third-party Nobel Prize winning laboratory in California. They won the Nobel Prize for developing the test to determine biological age. And they won the Nobel Prize in 2009. 2010, they started testing, and all this time they've been testing. And all this time, they have found nobody the longest anybody reversed biological age doing anything they were doing, whether it's injecting stem cells or taking anti-aging products, nobody reversed biological age more than 3 years. And then they started sending in 1,500 blood tests from people that were using this. And every one of them reversed age by 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 years. And all of these people had pre-existing conditions. Their ages were probably much more than their real physical ages when they started. The Nobel Prize winners called the science team. What on earth have you discovered? Nobody has ever done anything like this. This is why I'm so happy to share this with you. This is the most important discovery, the most important product I've seen in my 50 years in natural healing and energy medicine. Are you ready for functional foods in a spray that can reverse your age and issues? I'm Kare Possick, and I'm sending blessings for your health. Bye now.